Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Bubble Stardew Hydrating Eye Cream. This product retails for $14. I first want to say I purchased this product myself, but I am a Bubble ambassador. All that means is that I have a code in the description if you are interested in this product or any of Bubble's products to get a discount, but they did not send me this product. I bought it myself because I wanted to try it. Hydrating eye creams are something that I don't see much of a point for unless they are going to really do something for my under eye area, be corrective, be brightening, do something besides just hydrating, because when I hear that, it makes me think, why not just go for a moisturizer? Looking over the ingredients in this, nothing is standing out too much to make me be like, oh yeah, this is definitely an eye cream that I would invest in. The only time I personally use a hydrating eye cream is when my under eye area is just really dry in the winter. Other than that though, I'll just use my favorite moisturizer underneath my eye and it will kind of do the job. So I will be looking to see what I notice with this eye cream. It doesn't claim to be for anti-aging, but I can't testify for those benefits either way. So we will just see how this performs. I am going into this with an open mind. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. In this eye cream, they use what's called an anti-stress blend, shea butter, and squalane. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website, and I've also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things I'm going to be looking for with it include, is it worth it? What separates it from other hydrating eye creams, and also just using a moisturizer underneath my eyes. This is a good value though. I have to give it to them. If I am gonna invest in a hydrating eye cream, I want it to be worth it. So, I mean, the $14 price point is not too bad. I also wanna see what results I notice with it and what it does for my under eye area. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to check in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this eye cream. I feel like the brands have been really delivering lately with eye creams and it's getting super hard to compare them. So I'm gonna try my best. Bubbles has a great complex in it that makes me think it's gonna be a little bit more nourishing, but also combines caffeine in here. So it's almost gonna act like, I don't know, caffeine has been known to depuff. It's been known to be a great energizer. Right off the bat, it feels extremely moisturizing. Starts off as a cream texture, but it blends into this really nice, great feeling gel. And I don't see any ingredients in here that I think are gonna cause sensitivity, but my under eye area is very sensitive. So that's always the main thing I look for with these style of eye creams. But with the texture of this, it almost feels like it's going to be like an instant moisturizing brightener to the under eye area. And when I say brightening, I mean whenever you moisturize your under eye area, at least in my case, it seems to have provided an instant brightening effect, especially in the winter when my eyes are so, like, my eyes get dry, they get puffy, they start watering, like there's a lot that goes on, and so the skin around them gets a little bit dry. I am actually experiencing just a little bit of sensitivity, which I kind of normal with some eye creams at first. I'm not sure what would be setting that off. There's just sometimes where eye creams, I'm just very sensitive and it gets weird. Like you can see there, I'm turning just a little bit red. I don't know what would be causing that, but I am experiencing just a little bit of sensitivity underneath this eye, which is supposed to be a moisturizing eye cream. I'm not sure what would be doing that to me in this product, but I don't know. There's just some formulations my eyes don't react well to. Not saying this is a bad product. I'm gonna have to continue using it because sometimes that fades within the first couple of times of using it. Obviously, if I experience more sensitivity, then I'm not going to continue using it. It does have a nice instant cooling effect. Under this eye specifically, I'm experiencing no sensitivity, but this one I am. Could be the environment, could be what my skin's going through. Something that one time is not going to tell with, but still, I'm gonna continue using it and seeing what else I notice. This is also claiming to be just a hydrating eye cream. I'm really gonna be looking to see if I notice any depuffing benefits, anything else that makes it a little bit more worth it than a moisturizer. Obviously, there are some great targeted ingredients in here, but but ultimately, if I get those same ingredients in an all-over face moisturizer for a pretty good price point, I'm not gonna invest in the sole eye cream. So only time will tell with all of this. Sensitivity is calming down. I do get styes around this section of my eye, so I will just be looking for that to see if it causes that. But anyway, I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I sadly feel like this is a case of where an eye cream is not really worth investing in, mainly because I didn't see any benefits with it other than hydration, which that is fine. It's fine to have a hydrating eye cream if you really need it, if you really want to invest in that yourself. I just didn't see anything with this eye cream that was revolutionary or that would make me want to spend extra money on this product. First of all, the sensitivity that I experienced in the check-in was very short-lived. I know it was what my skin was going through because I continued to use this product and didn't cause any sensitivity at all. My skin acts weird sometimes. Sometimes when I add more hydrating products into my routine, or specifically eye creams, it just gets sensitive for no reason. It's just really what my skin is going through. The weather was really cold when I did that check-in, and so that's what I feel like I was experiencing, because I didn't experience any long-term sensitivity or any styes coming up. So I feel like that was just short-lived. It literally lasted 2 more days after that, and then it was finished. It was like nothing happened. Sometimes my eyes also take longer to adjust to eye creams. I didn't see any ingredients in here that I felt like would cause sensitivity, so I wasn't for sure, but that's just proof of how my under eye area works and how skincare is just so personal. Some products can have no active ingredients in them but still cause sensitivity, and so that is just what I experienced at first. Luckily that was short-lived though. I did notice a slight depuffing aspect with this, but honestly I know of some better eye creams around this price point, like the Bioma depuffing eye cream. One of my holy grails, one of my favorites, same price as this, and it depuffed a little bit better. This product I just found to be mostly hydrating. It gave a nice finish, it gave a radiant look, but looking over the standout ingredients and analyzing how it performed with me personally, I really didn't see many benefits with this other than just solely hydrating. Depuffing was very minimal. It was not something that I felt like was as notable as what I saw with the Bioma, and so I would rather repurchase the Bioma depuffing eye cream over this one, because this does have caffeine in it, has some pretty decent ingredients, but it is mostly just a hydrating eye cream. I would much rather use a moisturizer than this product because I didn't see much that stood out with it. It is an okay value. It is more on the lower price scale when it comes to investing in eye creams, but ultimately with a skincare routine, I would rather put that money into a moisturizer or something that I could just use underneath my eyes, or a hydration serum, anything, because the skincare routine starts to add up, and the more steps that you add, the more price tags get added into that. Sure, this is lower on the price scale, but personally myself, when I am going to invest in skincare, I would rather put that money towards products that work better for me, and this eye cream just didn't do much. And so I don't feel like it is the best use of at least my money. I always tell you where I would put that, and I would just not invest in this product because it just ultimately didn't do much. And the hydration benefits are something that I could see myself getting with a moisturizer. So with that being said, I feel like if you're gonna go for an eye cream, and this is just my personal bias with everything, I would rather it have something that's going to be corrective for your under eye area over time. I just don't see a point in investing in an eye cream when it's just hydration, especially with the performance that I saw with this product, because it just acted like a moisturizer. And so I'd just rather use a moisturizer. That is my personal recommendation. Bubble has so many amazing moisturizers that I would just use instead of this product. I know they have some sole ingredients in here, and not to discredit the formula, I just don't really see a need for it if you can just use one of their moisturizers as an eye cream and a face moisturizer as well. So that's just where I stand on with this product. It is not a bad product. It is just not worth the money in my opinion. I would rather not invest in a sole eye cream when it's just supposed to be hydrating. I wanted to try this out to see if the performance was different than just hydrating. But like I said, if you're gonna go for a depuffing eye cream, the Bioma is the way to go in my opinion. But As for hydration, I'm just gonna personally use a moisturizer underneath my eyes because that is how this product performs in my opinion. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I'm posting videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.